Hi, how are you, Jagan? All the best.
Good, Daksha. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. Hi, Shiva.
Hi, Daksha.
Starting soon?
Yeah.
Absolutely. We'll start in another minute. Yeah, maybe.
Good. All the best.
Hi, Mukund. Good to see you. Long time. How are you?
Hi, Rajgopal. Thank you. All good. Thanks.
Good to see you, buddy. Looking fit as ever.
சொல்லுங்க கேட்கும். Hi Ravi. Hey Mahendra.
Hi Ajay.
Hi.
Hi Ajay.
Hey Neil bhai. Hi.
Hi Sapan. Welcome Sapan.
Sapan, you're on mute. Unmute
Hi
yourself.
Luciana.
Sapan, unmute yourself.
Okay, hi guys. I hope all of you doing well.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hey Ram.
Hey. We have a lot of people pouring in now, the spectators.
Ram, you are in Dubai or where? I think it looks like you are in stadium.
Yes. We have set up a special space.
BCG, bye.
Good evening Ajay bhai.
Good evening. How are you? Long time.
Long time.
Manager, last year manager Ajay.
Friends. Yes.
Welcome Prakash, PKB.
Neil bhai, good evening.
Good evening Ajay bhai. Good evening.
I'm not able to recognize you. Full of beard and all.
Now you lost weight.
Special effects.
No, it was not.
Hey, half of Gaurav has been lost.
Hello, special effects, man.
No. Really, half of Gaurav has been lost somewhere.
Good evening, Neil. Good evening.
Hey, URG.
Good evening.
Mail அனுப்பிச்சிடுறீங்களா?
Good evening, Ajay bhai.
Good evening. URG, Paji, good evening.
Hey, actor Satya வந்திருக்காருப்பா. எல்லாரும் ஹலோ சொல்லுங்க.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Gaurav.
Hi.
Hero Satya, good evening.
Welcome Satya.
Hello.
Hey, கௌரவோட தம்பி வந்திருக்கார் போல இருக்கு.
Suresh ji, good evening.
Good evening.
Welcome Nasser ji, PDG Nasser, welcome.
Vanakkam. Thank you. All the best IFCR.
Hey, Ravi.
Welcome PDG.
Everyone is talking.
All the best Jagan. All the best Sam David.
Thank you.
I think everyone is quiet except Sapan Gupta, who is a person who wants to talk so much. Hi.
In the last 6 months, I've grown up a little, so I've decided to give others chances.
You've grown up too much. Hey, your head.
You have grown your beard. You are not grown.
Left-handers should talk,
I noticed in the video that is running also, there are only left-handers there. I'm sure it is the work of Rajgopal, surely.
Yeah.
Welcome Prabhuram, welcome.
Yeah, thank you sir.
Hey, Prabhu.
Hi.
Hey, Prabhu.
Ajay bhai.
Hey, Shyam ji, Shyam bhai. Good evening, sir.
Ram.
Yeah.
6:10 we will start up.
Yes, we have 2 minutes to go.
Yeah, 2 minutes to go.
I'm ready. What about the studio manager?
Harish is setting up 2 minutes. He needs.
Yeah. I'm waiting for the studio manager to kick off.
Sapan, the world is dominated by right-handers. So in small meetings, we people like you, me, you are will be highlighted.
Jagan,
Yeah,
music.
as long as I'm
Sure.
hiding behind you and you are, I'm all fine here.
You look like Mohammed Shami.
Arey, don't insult him here, please. And plus Shami bowls only right hand.
No, Ravindra, good evening.
Okay.
Is Harish ready?
Jagan, once we start, I think you need to mute everybody, Jagan.
Sure, we'll do that now.
Hey, that looks like Sapan hitting a sixer, man.
Hi Jagan, hi Raj. Hello all.
Hello na.
Hi.
बोलिए ये क्या नाम अलग अलग है हिंदी का अलग है व्यक्ति का बट मतलब कि एक वीडियो फिनिश करेंगे ना तो मैंने अलग ही अलग रखा है हर बंदे के ऊपर हिंदी भी का और वैसे भी का और प्रांतीय कलर लिखा था
Hi Arun. Hi Harish. Hello all.
Hi.
என்ன வந்திருக்கு மாப்ள வந்திருக்கு முதல்ல 30 பீஸ் வந்திருந்தா இல்ல இல்ல இது நேப்லான் முதல்ல வந்து
Na Shiva, பயங்கர டென்ஷனா இருக்க.
Can we get going?
Ram TP is joined.
Sorry? He is joining?
TP is joined.
30 பீஸ் அதுல
இந்த பாக்ஸ் கூட பார்க்கல இந்த box.
Welcome, District Governor Muthuparniyappan, to the new innings.
Yeah. Yeah, good evening. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
Raghavendra.
For a change with the mask.
Welcome to ICR.
Thank you. Thank you.
I saw PDG also. Not Srinivasan, PDG Srinivasan also had logged in. Welcome,
Good evening,
PDG
DG Muthu.
Srinivasan. Good evening.
Welcome, PDG Srinivasan. Yes, he is there.
Good evening, DG. Good evening. Good evening.
Jagan, are we waiting for Harish?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay.
One second, Ram. We just setting up Natty and Cam. That is why.
Okay. I'm good to go. You just give me a signal.
Hi Raja.
Hey, welcome, Shan.
Hi Ram.
Sir Neil, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Na pammal ke sambandham araida.
Vishana, good evening, Vishana. Good evening, good evening. You are here, you are everywhere else. It is good to hear from you. Yeah. Very, very good to hear from you too, yeah.
Arana.
உப்பு போட்டு நான் வந்து எடுத்துக்கிறேன் மீட்டிங் சரி தக்காளி வெங்காயம் போட்டுக்கலாம்
So you can keep it in silent.
கரெக்டாக நான் போட்டுக்கிறேன்
Welcome, AG Ramkumar.
Good evening all.
Sapan is on the move. Huh?
Yes, I am. So I'm just going to disconnect and log in from my laptop.
All right.
ஜெகன் நான் லாக் அவுட் ஆகி லாகின் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அது கோர்ஸ் மாத்தணும்.
Okay, we'll do that, Gopi.
How come Shan is very silent today? Shan, something wrong with you?
Hi Shan, hi Kamlesh.
Hey, நான் சைலண்ட் எல்லாம் இல்லப்பா.
Actually, his mic is weak.
ஏன்னா IFCRல ஏஜி எல்லாம் கூப்பிடுறாங்க, அதான் பாக்குறேன் யாருன்னு.
Hey, welcome, insurance magician.
Kamlesh.
Hey, Shan, IFCR ரோட்டரியில தானப்பா இருக்கு. ஏஜி கூப்பிட்டா என்னப்பா தப்பு?
அழகா ராம்குமார்னு கூப்பிட்டா நல்லா இருக்குங்க. யார் அது?
Sound Neil தெரியலன்னா என்ன சார்?
Shan, மாஸ்டர் Shan.
நீல் குரல் தெரியலனா என்ன அப்புறம்?
IFCR ரோட்டரியில தான்ப்பா இருக்குது. கொஞ்சம் அத ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கங்க.
இல்ல ஜெனரலா நீல வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 4 பாக்ஸ் குள்ள பாத்து இதுல காணமேன்னு பாக்குறேன். ஹாய் மணி.
என்ன ராம் தொப்பி எல்லாம் பலமா இருக்கு.
ஆமா, எல்லாம் ஒரு ப்ரொடெக்ஷன் தான்.
ஹெல்மெட்டோட இருந்தீங்கன்னா இன்னும் நல்லா இருக்கும் பாருங்க.
அது பார்க்க முடியாது எல்லாரும் இல்ல. வெல்கம் நீல், வெல்கம்.
Hi Raghu.
Hello அண்ணா. Sorry for joining late. நான் ஆபீஸ்ல இருந்து வந்து டக்குன்னு அப்படியே ஜாயின் பண்ணேன்.
உங்களுக்காக தான் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் ரகு. உங்களுக்காக தான் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
நீங்க வேற பெரியவாளா நிறைய பேர் இருக்கா.
Harish,
since you are late and came at 57%, you'll have to buy 56 beers next time we meet.
விஷயமா
ஆமா.
அவன் பார் காதுல கேட்காத மாதிரி உட்கார்ந்திருக்கான் பாரு.
இது நான் கேட்கல, நான் உண்மையாவே.
Jagan, is Harish ready yet?
I'm just following his screen now. They are getting ready.
Okay.
Ram, when they are ready, they will be there, Ram.
No, we are behind schedule. That's why I asked.
You're almost there, Ram.
Pitch
okay.
கொஞ்சம் ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
Yeah, okay.
Due அதிகமா இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Due factor is very
அப்படியே ரெட் டீ கலக்குறீங்க சார்.
So there is a delay in the start of the ceremony. Please be patient.
ராம், பேண்டமிக் அப்புறமா கூட அதே பெங்களூர் டி-ஷர்ட்ல இருக்கீங்க. சேம் சைஸ்ல இருக்கீங்களா?
கொஞ்சம் ஓவர் சைஸ்ல வாங்கினேன் இப்போ.
அதுதான் கேட்டேன்.
But pandemic weight loss has happened. Shanmu.
பயங்கர வொர்க் அவுட் போல இருக்கு வீட்ல.
எல்லாம் பிகேஜி மாதிரி ஆயிட்டாங்க.
Welcome Punithan.
வணக்கம்.
Puni, welcome Puni.
We'll be starting in a minute or so. I think we are almost ready.
Welcome, Papana. Welcome.
ஸ்பாட்லைட் பண்ணிடுறீங்களா?
ஹரிஷ் எதை ஸ்பாட்லைட் பண்ணு சொல்லுங்க. ஐஎஃப்சிஆர் ஸ்டுடியோ ஸ்பாட்லைட் பண்ணுமா? வீடியோ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் நீங்க.
வீடியோ ஆஃப் பண்ணிருக்கேன், சாரி.
ஆமா ஆமா, அதான் ஸ்பாட்லைட் பண்ண முடியல.
பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
ஓகே, டன்.
ஹரிஷ் ஆடியோ வரல. ஹரிஷ் அந்த ஆடியோ ஆன் பண்ணும்.
எங்க?
இல்ல அதுக்கு ஆடியோலாம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை சார் நினைக்கிறேன். கோபி.
Yes. Start.
Ram, we are good to start once the video completes.
Sure.
Here we go.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this wonderful edition of IFCR's event. We have a wonderful lineup, and we have some exciting stuff happening at the pitch right now. And over to the commentator box. So bring in our MC right now, who is Mr. Ram Prasad. So hi Ram, how are you and what's the situation and condition over there?
Thank you, Harish. We are right in the middle of the IPL season 13 and I'm excited to be here. And I welcome all of you to this new innings that is about to begin. Okay, to start with, cricket and music go together. And we have recently lost two legends, one after the other in the recent past. Our own great SPB, with whose song we all grew up with, and preceded by Dean Jones, who featured in the Tide match in our own Chepak. As a mark of respect, let's observe a 1-minute silence for the legends. Thank you. To begin this auspicious new innings, let's play the Rotary theme song. Can we have it, Jagan?
Sure, Ram.
Thank you.
Ram, I've muted everyone. You may have to unmute and start again. Sorry.
All right. That was a wonderful beginning, and what a wonderful innings we have witnessed so far. I invite the outgoing captain, Chairman Natarajan, to deliver the welcome address. Over to Nati.
Good evening, friends. Very nice to see you at the first meeting of IFCR after the COVID-19. Good evening. DG, PDGs, friends. I welcome you everyone for the first Rotary meet of the year, of the new year. Looking at all the smiling face in the gallery view of Zoom gives me an extra boost of energy as I welcome you to change the pattern of event. I trust that this would be a memorable one. Sam and I, along with the committee members, decided to create this online event as the current situation does not permit us to have an usual dinner meets. I sincerely hope and pray that situation improves drastically, that we will be able to meet very soon in the grounds. We have planned to complete a set of matches over the 2-year period, and I regret that the COVID-19 situation didn't allow the current team to fulfill the same. This situation not come in, I'm sure that complete cycle would have been completed. Anyway, this is one regret which I and my team will carry forward. Anyway, gone is gone. I want you to know now that how deeply I appreciate all the people and all the hard work put by the team of Shiva, Raj, Vishy, Sam, everyone, all included. I had a lot of local matches and even for the outside tournament or out of Chennai tournaments also. From the time when it was difficult to form a team, one team for IFCR tournament, we have reached up to 6 full teams traveling together for the IFCR tournaments. Due to the incredible bonding and very cultured behavior on and off the field, we have been able to gain great reputation and respect to all over IFCR districts in India and outside. More than our team being happy by winning championship, we were touched to see all the RI district IFCR teams celebrating our victory together as well as in Delhi and other places also. Our membership has grown to the current level of 250 odd members, and I look forward to this fellowship reaching greater numbers and bonding in the years to come. Today, I like to remember the contribution made by all IFCR veterans like Kittu and others who have nurtured this soft culture and Rotary fellowship in cricket. With just 4 or 5 years in the journey, we're excited to welcome to see more such great transformation in IFCR. Thanks to all fellow CRK members who have been with us and with me, including Vishy and others, Shiva, the one and only Shiva, and the team behind me on all my decisions and all my programs and all my plans, and we executed without any problem. And in spite of some hiccups, the team was behind me on whatever I took a decision. I sincerely thank the team for that wholeheartedly. Many of us have great pride in playing along with cricket legends like Yuarna, Papana, Shamana. Thank you, gentlemen, for taking the time off to play with us and making our dream reality. That we used to see matches from the gallery. We had the opportunity to play with you in Chepa ground, which is something which the dream come true for all of us. Special mention to Treasurer Gopi, who has been managing the funds, and Jagan for all tireless back end work. A word of thanks to Kirba for doing all type of support in videos whenever I wanted. And of course, I can't do without Vishy or Shiva, without whom this may not happen. This 2 years happened, not because of me, it's because of them. I was only planning, and he's the guy who executed everything. In spite of having a lot of fights, arguments, he has been with me. I sincerely thank him for the all. And of course, the Almighty God. We have been traveling to a lot of places on a bunch and gang. There was no issues, no negativity, no accidents, nothing, no ill feeling between people. So we had a great bonding in friendship in Rotary, which I should thank the God and the friends for that. Finally, I thank Rockstar Harish to making this day, and Mr. Rotary Ram, as usual, the MC, who is going to take us through the evening. Thanks a lot for everyone for joining us in a short notice. Hope this bonding continues forever. I'm always there for you people. Sam, my support is there for you, and we as a team will make difference. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, outgoing captain and the chairman Natarajan. You indeed provided us a great experience with your great innings in the past. Now let me invite the opening bat advisor Vishy to give his opening remarks. Over to Vishy.
Hello, am I audible? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. Just hold
Good
on
evening,
for a
friends.
few seconds to get spotlighted or pinned to the frame now, Harish. Yeah, you are ready now.
Yeah, good evening, friends. It's so nice to be part of this event and be part of welcoming you all to this evening. Last 2 years, which Raja has chaired this fellowship team, has been amazing. From a set of people of about 100 people, we've now grown to about 250 people, and the kind of bonding that has increased over the last 2 years is just out of the world. There are many, many instances, many travels that we've done together, and many, many instances to talk of. But a few events, a few instances really stand out. One was we went on a tour to Delhi last year, probably around November of last year, where 24 of the probably the best 50 of PHCC were there. But there was only one team to play. And in the morning of the first match at about 7 o'clock, when the first 11 had gone in, then you had a set of 12 people who would have qualified to play for any 11 in any Rotary at any point of time. But everybody was very happy of the other person playing, and nobody was even cribbing that no, he was not part of the team or he was not part of the 11 or whatever. And everyone was willing to give their place to somebody else. That was a kind of lovely bonding that we shared. And that is what I guess these 2 years have done. And thanks Raja and Shiva to a large extent to have been a catalyst in this entire performance and the bonding that has increased over the years. One more example which I wanted to mention was Ramanna, who came with us to Bangalore. And he knew he would not be part of the playing 11 in most of the matches. But for every match, every day in the morning, he would be ready with his full dress and his kit. And the kind of happiness that he got when he finally got to bowl, 1 over and he got 2 wickets, but he ended up bowling 4 or 5 wides. But then the happiness that he got in taking that last wicket, that smile is worth going any distance for. Amazing that was. And the last which I would want to mention is about our own Sriram. He was not part of the IFCR team to Bangalore, but he was working in Bangalore. He took 3 days off and stayed with us at Eagleton on all the 3 days, not playing a match, just to be with us, away from his family and everybody, and staying with us for 3 days and spending all that time. That was amazing. So these are a few examples of the kind of bonding and fellowship that is contributed. And I'm sure Sam and team is only a continuation from where Raja is leaving. And this kind of bonding is going to only improve and probably do much, much better in the years to come. Thank you very much all, and thanks for all the support for the team, and thanks for being part of this IFCR and contributing to the fellowship in whichever way it is. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Vishy, for putting it nicely. Yes, cricket brings people together, and so many people are in Rotary because of their love for cricket, and eventually they become close to each other. So we saw a lot of action in the previous innings, and to some of the highlights and share with us the statistics, I call bowler Secretary Shiva to give a secretary report, followed by treasurer report by bowler treasurer Gopinath. Over to Shiva.
Good evening.
Go ahead, Shiva.
Okay. Thank you, Ram Prasad. We were bowled out on the evening of August 2018 when the baton was handed over to us. An event first of its kind for handing over ceremony with 150 plus cricketers and PHCC owners. Chairman and the team's first vision was to conduct a Chennai IFCR League. As a mark of respect, the team names were coined in the legends of IFCR. The team captains were given a 17-member squad to play the matches. And our proud 8 captains of Chennai League was forced to come to these are the 8 captains. Unfortunately, our league was forced to come to an end with the pandemic. This is the final standings of the league, and Punithan and his team tops the table. Kudos to them. Thank you, captains. Thank you, cricketers. Our journey ends here, and we will wait for a new beginning. The first outstation kick-started with the dream come true movement. Our own superstar PKB blocked the entire theatre in PVR Cinemas in Pune, and we had the first show 2.0 in Tamil in Pune. Thank you, PKB. That was an unbelievable moment. Urban cricket capital called we had the first 4 captains for the first 4 outings, and then we were victorious, winning the first time Friendship Platinum Cup and a competitive Silver Cup. Thank you, Team Pune, for your hospitality and well-organized tournament. We would love to be back again. Second, called the Bahubali Cup. To the name, we decided to send a Bahubali team with 24 members. We emerged victorious for the first time with the Platinum Cup, snatched the victory from the jaws of Pimpri Panthers after 7 years. Delhi's maiden tournament was enjoyable and remarkable. Coming back home, we had suddenly a new cup organized by Capital, Rotary Club of Capital. So that was, IFCR was called to play the match, and that was our 5th cup. Apparently, we were also recognized in the Prince of Arcot tournament, and for the past 2 years, we have been playing with 2 teams. Immediately after the local matches, Connecting Cup called us in Bangalore, and again, we had wonderful 4 captains and 4 teams selected under able captains. We won and retained the Friendship Platinum Cup and won the Silver Cup in competitive. Bangalore Bash, and the tournament was enjoyable. Overall, the feathers in our hat had been a roller coaster and glorious years of IFCR Chennai 2018 to 2020. We played a match against Singapore Club in Chennai, and we organized a match in Singapore, but due to COVID, it got cancelled. Hopefully, we plan it in the coming years. On behalf of chairman and committee members, we would like to thank all the organizers of the tournaments and cricketers of Chennai who supported and stood by us. Thank you. We'll hand it over to Gopi to sum up with the treasurer's report.
Thank you, Shiva.
Good evening, friends. It's nice to meet all of you. It's been quite a while since 50 of us have come together for a program. Though it's virtual, but at least you have a feeling of getting together. And 200 and odd, we have a bunch of wonderful guys, wonderful people here. And then that made my job as a treasurer very, very at ease. In fact, we had good support from all other friends, irrespective of whatever be their role. They are regular members or the board team, whether it is Shiva, Captain, or Athren, or Jagan, or whoever were there, were supporting on. And just to take you a sum up on, now this is the slide that you're seeing. Now the kind of monies that are, the kind of turnover that are gone into the account. Now these are not necessarily the monies coming to IFCR Tamil Nadu account. Some had come into IFCR Tamil Nadu account and then got paid to the respective, whether it is Pune, Bangalore, Delhi, or it is gone directly paid to those accounts. Pune, 54 members and 4 teams, and about 11.8 lakhs, and Bangalore, Delhi. And the feather in the cap is Prince of Arcot. Prince of Arcot is a tournament where they invite only the clubs for participation. Now, for the first time, they have they've recognized Rotary, they've recognized IFCR, and they've invited as first tournament. We were 1 team, and the second tournament 2 teams were participated. Last year 2 teams, the year before 1 team. So that's one major feather. In fact, for people who are wondering what is this Prince of Arcot, it's a tournament that's organized by the Nawab of Chennai, in Amir Mahal. So that's the tournament. Next slide. Jagan. Next slide.
This is the last slide. So,
okay. Second slide is Jagan. Okay. Okay. Now, maybe the other slide is missing. Now, that's a slide where it shows across. We have conducted. 1 second. I will open and read from my.
Can we put Gopi, pin Gopi into the frame, Harish?
Yeah. Okay, now the other side that I was speaking about, now we had 143 members who have registered for participating in IFCR tournament, out of which is about 4.29 lakhs we've collected, and we have spent 3.9 lakhs on that. And installation expense we've spent about 37,000, and we have given donation of about 11,000 to a cup. And one nice thing is now we had some monies that were collected for Pondicherry tournament and some collected for these tournaments. And all of them, they said, sir, we don't want any of these monies back, and please use it for COVID relief. And then we had given about 45,000 rupees for COVID relief. And that's, I think, which is something which is very, very nice. Like we had a bit of service also from going out from us. And about 2,800 rupees was spent on that. So totally about 3.23 lakhs on the account, 3,23,796 was spent on account other than tournament. And all of this were funded by the members, and equally the amount is contributed as donation, whatever you call. And then we have a cash balance of 13,338 in the bank. And this will be handing over to the next team. And that's it from me. Thank you guys once again for all the support that you've given the last 2 years. Thank you.
Thank you, Shiva and Gopi, for presenting the statistics so well. And I'm glad to know that there has been a social responsibility also, other than playing cricket, by contributing to COVID. Now is the moment, gentlemen. Put your hands together for the outgoing chairman. Now will hand over the bat to the incoming chairman, Sam David, the captain of the next innings. Let's witness the event live. Put your hands together, gentlemen, for the handing over. Congratulations, incoming captain, Chairman Sam David. May I request you to give your acceptance speech and also introduce your team. Sorry.
Good evening, all. First of all, I welcome the district officials 3232 and also the other district officials who have come here. Cannot forget to wish and welcome the IFCR, our own IFCR members. And also, I should not forget to welcome our cricketing legends from IFCR, Papa, Sham, and also Paji. Prior to that, I have to first thank, wish, congratulate the chairman, Rotary Natarajan, and Shiva and the team who had been with them. They have outclassed and done the last 2 years phenomenally. Absolutely, they have done so well. And you know, there was so much of preparations and the administration. I should talk not only the part of the cricketing standard, what they have done. Secondly, they have done the most important thing is the administration, the quality of administration. That was very good. And thirdly, the most important thing, the bonding in the ground and off the ground, not only within the team, but also the opponent teams, they have done so well. The bonding of the friendship was phenomenal. So I wish him, I thank him.
Go ahead now.
Okay, so, but prior to that, 3 periods before, if I say what happened from the Kittu period and connecting him to the CRK, Chennai Rotary Kings, if we come down the line from Vishy to Raja and to myself, the standard of the game, the standard of the quality of the administration and the bonding of the friendship, every segment of the period of time, if you see, it has grown up higher and higher to a scaling height it has gone. The Natarajan, Rotary Natarajan has kept it in a greater height now. Now it is up to me now from there to take it up. But as a single individual, it is not possible for me to take it. However, I have a strong dynamic people around me who will take care and run the show. Back to AV for the board presentation. Thank you.
Yeah, Jagan, can we have the
it's
audio?
It's coming up.
Yeah.
Give me a second. Let me know, Ram, once you start seeing my screen.
Yes, you're on. Go ahead. Wow, that seems to be a fantastic team, well balanced. New chairman, new captain, Chairman Sam David. It looks to be a very exciting innings that is going to follow. Can you share with us your strategies and plans for the new innings?
Yeah, thanks, Ram. Yeah, we go with the next 2 years plan. The first and foremost, the most important thing what I have to tell you here is the format of the cricket is being changed from now. How it is being changed is we are going to introduce 7 teams. There are about 140 players in the IFCR, plus players are here now. We are going to make it as 7 teams, and each team will have a owner. At this moment, I am deviating from this subject and going away to say a few words to RCME, which is connected to Paul Harris tournament. You are the inspirer for us to do it. So I kindly request you to beg a pardon that it is not any kind of thing of copying or racing methods. It has been planned by IFCR. We as IFCR, you have been the inspiration. So we take off from here and to make it into a different avenue of cricket. What is IFCR has to do at this moment? It is not the ground matches or the scoring of 30 runs or 3 wickets or the fellowship in the evening. But my point of view is when they go back home, they should carry happiness. That's what I mean. So therefore, gentlemen, please bear with me. There are the owners of 7 owners will be there, and each owner will be having the control with their own team, and the team will be about 21, 22 players. They can appoint a manager too. Of course, they should be from the IFCR member. So that's it. And 6 matches will be played at a stretch with different teams here in Chennai. This is the local format for the cricket at the moment. I could tell you. When days comes and here how the team is going to be fixed, what is the team players are going to be consolidated of the 7 teams, which will be done on the physical presentation, maybe after a month or 2, depends on the COVID situation, how it drops down. On the other side, point number 2, what I have to discuss here is, apart from the local cricket of IFCR Chennai, what the traveling outside like Bombay, like Pune or Bangalore or Delhi, wherever we go for the IFCR representing from Chennai, the same pattern will be followed. But there will be a small control over the teams of all the teams where Mr. Rotarian Natarajan will be the chairman for the outstation of the matches. Convener will be the Shiva. Rotarian Shiva will be the convener for the local matches of IFCR in Chennai, played in Chennai. The chairman will be Rotarian Vishy and the convener will be Rotarian Rajagopal. Sorry. So that's about the local presentation and the second chapter of traveling outstation of Chennai. Apart from these two categories, I am planning for one more international. How we are going for local outstation and playing. It is a plan to go to Sri Lanka or to Malaysia, form a team, couple of teams who are interested to go abroad and make a plan and play there for about 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and come back. This should come within the next 2 years. This is my guess. This is the plan which will be executed. I hope it will come true. But it is all with the group. Thank you.
Wonderful, Sam. It's really, we are excited to see a new innings from you, and I'm sure you're going to achieve greater heights with your new team. Now, we also have among us some well-wishers for you so that your innings can go on very well. And let me call upon Neil, the IFCR India chair, to felicitate the new captain.
Anna, you can unmute
Good
yourself
evening,
now.
friends. Distinguished guests from the district office, 3-3 inclusive DG Muthupaniappan. And what can I say? Because cricket has united us together for all these years, and then I have no words to wish Natarajan and his team, because the amount of work gone in for the last 2 years, as rightly indicated by Vishy and everyone else. The IFCR, which was earlier, it has grown up on leaps and bounds to uncomparable level, and then I only am very, very, very fortunate enough to be among the entire fraternity, because I, as the IFCR India chairman, I've been telling always proud and happy about our Chennai IFCR, because we have been really, really one of the bonding factor for all the other regions so far. Wherever you go, as rightly said by Vishy and Shiva and other people here, Vishy, especially because the bonding which we created was only because of the harmony which we developed in the last 4 or 5 years, and I was really, really happy to be a part of this. And I wish all the best to Sam, because I know Sam, because Sam was, when we had an IFCR tournament in Hyderabad, both Vishy and Sam, they were the first people who joined us there in terms of IFCR tournament, which happened in Hyderabad about a few years back. That's how we started our journey together as IFCR, and then we started all the PHCC people coming into the forum, and then I think the tremendous phenomenal work, as mentioned by Sam, gone in by Nati and Shiva and other people, and I'm really, really happy for them. And then congrats, Raja, you have done a wonderful job along with the team, Shiva, Rajgopal, everyone. I mean, you can't really name one single person, because it's a complete teamwork, because the amount of work has gone into keep everyone together. I should not forget Neelu Anna and KV Prakash for their Mottamadi regular parties, because they have been RCME for the matter. I think without RCME, without PHCC, I think it's like, IFCR and PHCC now become a 2 parallel railway tracks, which is going to take us long further. And then I'm really, really happy. And then I wish all the best for the new team. And I'm looking forward to be a part of this entire fun. Thank you for inviting me. Thanks for the opportunity, friends. All the best to you.
Thank you so much, Neil, for your blessings to the new captain. I'm sure he is going to take it to a different height. Now, let me invite to the stage the special person, the district leader, District Governor Muthupaniappan, to felicitate the new captain.
Yeah, thank you, Ram, for having me here. Captain for IFCR District 3232, Chairman Sam David, Secretary Jagan, and members of IFCR, and the outgoing Captain Natarajan and Secretary Shiva, members of IFCR, and other invited fellow Rotarians and friends. Good evening and Vanakkam. So I was just witnessing what has been happening for the last 2 years under the leadership of Natarajan. As usual, he is an all-rounder. Whatever he takes up, he delivers to the best. And he scales it up to the next level. It becomes a trend thereafter. So I could see the report that growing from 100 to 250 members and winning 8 trophies and many such achievements I was able to witness. The amount of work that he has done in spite of the pandemic, if there had been no such happenings in the last quarter or 4 or 5 months, much more would have happened. But anyway, whatever he has done is truly commendable. Congratulations to the entire outgoing team, Natarajan and Shiva. Having said that, this year, IFCR and district are all traveling together, I would say. Because we have aligned with IFCR, we have aligned with Polaris. If you have 250 members, you can be proud that all the 5,000 Rotarians in our district are part of IFCR, or more so because our theme for the year is T20 and our GML is power play. So we are promoting cricket much more than what you are promoting in the district now. So this is the year you have to make IFCR a much more larger role in terms of involving more Rotarians into, because there is a cricket mode already set in the entire district now. So I would request the incoming or the leader who has taken Sam David and Jagan to utilize this district perspective and then ensure that much more happenings happen around IFCR. Polar is one wonderful thing that is going on year after year. Mishi was talking about the bonding amongst the players. Rotary is all about friendship and fellowship. All these sort of fellowship really help Rotary to grow. Natarajan is one leader from there, many such leaders, Jagan, everybody is very active in Rotary because there is a connecting factor, there is a binding factor, which is the IFCR. And because of that, they are in Rotary, and having been in Rotary, they have started delivering what is required for Rotary in the other spectrum also. So one way IFCR is doing great service to Rotary under the leadership of Sam and David. Like Natarajan and Shiva, Sam and Jagan was a deadly combination, I would say. So they are going to make this entire 2 years a different year for IFCR. Best wishes to the entire IFCR members and the team that has taken over now. As a leader, I'm eagerly looking forward to see the pandemic getting over soon and all of us get into the field. And if there is a chance, if there is a tennis ball, then I can also come and try my luck. Thank you friends for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, DG Muthupaniappan, for your encouraging words and being part of this important function. And needless to say, it is a T20 year, so naturally the IFCR should get more focus on this. Yes, Harish, do you have anything to say?
Yes. I'm butting in because there's something more interesting. Ram, I suppose there are some interesting IFCR team owners. Can we get to know about them and get to see them as well?
Of course. Did we miss that out? Can we have the IFCR team owners video running, please? That's wonderful. It's a great lineup of owners, and I am sure the coming season is going to be as exciting or more exciting as the innings that got over. So, as all good things have to come to an end, this opening ceremony power play has to come to an end. So, may I call the incoming secretary, Jagannathan Madimalai, to give the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Ram. Harish, can you please pin me?
Yeah. Over to Jagan.
Yeah. Thank you, Harish. Good evening, everyone. It is my proud privilege to have assumed as secretary for this great organization called International Fellowship of Cricket-Loving Rotarians. It's been a great ride so far, and it is a factor for people like me, many of us sticking or just sticking into Rotary. In the IFCR great organization is doing a great job under the chairmanship of Vishena, Netraj, Shiva, and all this combination is really deadly. As DG rightly put up, this year being T20 year, we are looking forward for the right situation to start our activity, though the first meeting is virtual, and we are looking forward to a face-to-face meeting and soon to get onto the ground and start our work. On behalf of the IFCR 3232 and from the entire Rotary fraternity, I extend very warm thanks to all the Rotarians who are loving cricket across the globe who have joined for this virtual meeting. Thank you so much. Thank you, DG. Thank you all PDG's galaxy of PDG's district trainer, PDG Srinivasan, district councillor, PDG ISAK Nazar, and DGN, and so many DGs and district officials have joined. Thank you so much. And more important thing is the VIPs are our own friends across IFCR 3232 and the other IFCR district. We are happy to have you on this meeting. And of course, this meeting and all this frame that you may see on the screen, help came at the right time from our good friend Harish. Thanks, Harish, for all the technical support and make this event a grand event, as if we are all doing this event from the cricket stadium. Particularly all this Chepak background work done in a short time frame. And thanks to all the owners who are going to support the IFCR teams in the future. We appreciate your generous contribution that's going to come in and keep us happy. And all those people who have joined in and helped us to make this online event a successful one, particularly with all the costume and the background MC Ram Prasad. Thank you so much. Thanks for the opportunity, Chairman Sam, for giving this sort of thanks. Thank you so much.
Hey, thank you. Thank you, Jagan, and what a fantastic finish we had. Though we started a little late, we were almost finishing on time, but not before the national anthem. So let's all raise for the national anthem now. Thank you.
I'm just playing this. Let me quickly rise. I'm just starting this in a while.
Yeah.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविडोत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय जय
Jai Hind. All right.
Yes, now the match begins, fellowship.
Yeah, the new innings is about to begin. Let's toast for the new incoming new captain, Sam David. Cheers.
I've unmuted everyone. They can unmute themselves and.
It's a time for fellowship. You can share your whatever feedback, feelings, whatever it is, you can.
Okay.
So this time for you.
I'll go first because I have to leave. Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Vishina. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, the entire team of 2018-20. It was all with all your support. We were able to deliver a great year. Thank you so
Shiva,
much.
Sorry, Shiva, I have to
urgently
stop
leave.
you. I have to stop you because for the last 1 hour I've been thinking if Dr. Ram Kumar is over here, who's taking care of the patient?
That was a good one. So thank you all. Sorry, I have to leave. I have to urgently leave.
His wife is also a doctor.
That was a great presentation, Shiva. Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, I have some two legends out in the studio as well. Over to our past and incoming chairman. Both of them are in the studio.
Okay, you have any questions to the outgoing or incoming chairman? You can shoot the question.
When is the first fellowship going to happen? Cheers.
Chairman, have you done so the bottles to the respective players, please?
Good.
All the best, Sam.
Arish, can I remove the spotlight so Kumar speaks can be spotlighted?
Sam and outgoing chair.
Congratulations, Mehti.
Yes, Jagan, you can take over.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mehti, congratulations and all the very best, Sam.
Thank you, Prabram.
Congratulations, Sam Anna, Jagan Anna, and that was extremely good performance by Natya Anna and team. Shiva Anna's coordination with outer team or other state teams is phenomenal. I had fantastic experience in last 2 years. Thank you so much, Anna, and I wish it will go beyond limited time.
Thank you, Kripa. Paji, would you like to say a few words?
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Yeah, I also had a very fantastic experience with Kripa when I was in Delhi again.
Paji, romba nandri, Paji.
Thank you so much, you guys. I can't believe the way we traveled to Delhi, Pune, Bangalore. I think I keep saying this to Papa. Every time when we used to go and play cricket, Ranji Trophy, we never had this opportunity to stay in 5-star hotels and meeting people, having fun in the end. This is unbelievable. I think Sam will take it over from here. I think Nati has the job. I think it's getting better every time. Probably waiting for a trip abroad. Have fun, everybody. Stay safe, please.
Yeah. Thank you, Paji. Thank you. Papa Venkatesh, Papana, are you there?
Hey Ram, Satya here.
Hey Satya, go ahead.
Hi. So last year was my first year in IFCR. I think I had the opportunity, or I was fortunate enough to travel to Delhi and Bangalore. I think thoroughly enjoyed. Great bonding, great friendship. We also played cricket and we won it also. Fantastic. Suddenly in a year, I got to know some 200 people and, great time. Thanks, Raja, for all that. I'm sure, Sam will take it to the next level. As UR was saying, I'm also looking forward for an overseas tournament. We've never, we've always been playing locally. So we can also claim ourselves saying that we traveled abroad and played. So thank you. Looking forward.
Great, Satya. Did you open any RBS accounts yet?
RBL.
RBL, sorry.
I was wondering.
Sorry.